Papa, cherry cheesecake pancakes, gonna make for mom. Cherry cheesecake pancakes, gonna make for mom. I thought that was pretty good. I thought I hit it. Hey folks, I'm Matt from Fidel Gastro's, and I love my mom. I'm a little mama's boy, and it's Mother's Day, so I'm gonna show you how to make Mother's Day brunch for your mother, your wife, your better half, your significant other, your great aunt, your second great aunt, your cousin twice removed, anyone that's got a child in your life that you want to make brunch for. We're going to show you how to make cherry cheesecake pancakes. That's right, cherry cheesecake pancakes. You're probably thinking, Matt, this is genius. Where did you come up with this idea? Well, it just so happens to be in the new cookbook, Brunch Life, coming September 12th to an Amazon near you. That's right. And you can pre-order this book as a gift. I'm just saying, wink, you know, pre-order, gift, book for your mom. So, cherry cheesecake pancakes for mom on Mother's Day. I think it's time to brunch, shall we? So we're gonna take this fun recipe and break it into 3 simple parts. There's the cherry topping, the cheesecake frosting, and then the pancake itself. Hence, cherry cheesecake pancake. First step is the topping, the cherry, because we need to actually cook down some cherries, get them nice and sweet, and that's gonna go on top of our pancakes. They can even be frozen. They don't have to be fresh. In fact, frozen is even better because they already come pitted, and that is the most important thing. You don't wanna use cherries with pits. That's the pits. Cherries are gonna go into the warm pot. We're gonna add a little bit of water, and the water is gonna help break down the actual cherry itself. But we want to make sure that they're still sweet. I'm gonna add some white sugar. You can use white sugar, you can use brown sugar, you can use maple syrup, as long as it's sweet. All right, so while the cherries cook down, we're gonna make our cheesecake frosting. Very simple. We're gonna take our cream cheese. I didn't get light, I'm sorry. Probably should have been light cream cheese for mom. A little bit of ice and sugar. Now you can do the milk at one of 2 stages, either right now. I prefer to add the milk as it's blending, that way you can kind of naturally smooth it out. All right, so we've blended it a couple times, it's smooth, but now I'm gonna add a little bit of milk to it just to make sure it's creamy. We're gonna put this off to the side, we're gonna make our pancakes. By that time, the cherry topping should be almost ready. All comes together. Cherry cheesecake pancake. And the most important part of the pancake recipe, the pancake. Now, everyone has their own way of doing pancakes, and bless you for it. I'm not here to hate. I have one rule of pancakes. They should be fluffy. Other than that, however you get there, it's all on you. So it's very important to take all your dry ingredients, mix that around first, and then add your wet. Wet clumps. So the flour's gonna go in first. All right, now we have baking powder. Baking powder. Now for me, this is the part that actually helps fluff up your pancake. Baking soda and some white sugar. So make sure that's all mixed together. Ooh. Like a bell. Pancakes ready. All right, we're gonna add some beautiful eggs to it. Mix this around, break those yolks. Little vortex of the egg right in the middle there. Slowly add our milk. And we use the milk to kind of take away all the flour from the edges. Making a mess, Mom. In your kitchen, Mom. I'm a big fan of like slowly introducing milk into this kind of recipe. I think if you just add it all in one shot, just it's a little wild. So by slowly adding it, you allow the flour to kind of gradually pick up the liquid. Note to self, use a bigger bowl next time. Add a little bit of melted butter, press that in. And we have pancake batter. Now I like to do a test pancake first just to see how it fluffs up. If you find that it's too dense, you can always just add a little bit more milk to it. If you find it's too loose, add a little bit more flour. There's always a solution to the pancake problem. All right, so we got our pan and we're gonna put some butter in the pan, let it melt a bit. 2 reasons why we do that. Obviously, it makes a nice little golden crust on the pancake when it goes down. Very important to note the temperature of your pan. If it's too hot, your pancake will burn on the outside and it'll be raw in the middle. This isn't a steak, we're not searing it. But if it's too low, it'll just kind of sit there and expand and not do what you want. So I like a nice medium-high heat. If you're looking at a number setting, I'd say a nice solid 7. It's a great place to be. You can always turn it down after. Take your melted butter, mix it around the pan, make sure that all aspects of the pan have been covered in the butter. Okay, and now the batter's gonna go in. All right, so we're gonna layer our pancakes by putting the cheesecake frosting and the cherry sauce in between every layer of pancake, and then top it off with a little graham cracker crumble. Well, there you have it, folks. Mother's Day brunch, cherry cheesecake pancakes. Not gonna lie, if my mom were to finish these, I'd be impressed. They're huge. They're big enough for her, her sister, their mom, their best friend, the lady down the street, and then all their crew. That's how big these pancakes are. And until then, I shall eat for my mom. I don't even know how to tackle this. Trick is, you want equal amount of pancake, cheesecake, and cherry filling in one bite. It's really good. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know what you're making, Mom, for Mother's Day. Even though I know it should be these pancakes. We had it packed. Okay, bye, Mom. Love you.